Let me guess, you are learning French and struggling with the famous French R. In this mini tutorial, I'll show you how to pronounce it step by step and easily. This technique has helped all my students, and I promise after watching this video, you will be able to pronounce it correctly too. To make it easy for you, I divided this lesson into 3 steps. The R at the beginning, like rose, the R in the middle, like porte, and the R at the end, like jour. We will start with simple sounds and build up step by step. Let's get started. In French, the R is pronounced at the back of your throat, often with a bit of friction. H, H. So as first step, I want you to pronounce the letter G. Let's do it. G, G. Now switch to R. H, H, H. You got it. That's how we pronounce it. The letter G is pronounced exactly in the same place as the R. Let's practice again. G, G, H, H, H. Now let's practice with some syllables. G, H, Ha, Ha, Ho, Ho, Ri, Ri. Very good. Let's now practice with different words. First, let's start with the R at the beginning of a word, which is often the most challenging. To practice, let's start with some words, starting with the letter G. Listen and repeat after me. G, G, H, H, gan, ran, gon, ron, gain, rein. Let's repeat. Gan, ran, gon, ron, gain, rein. Can you do it? A lot of time, the letter R comes after the first consonant, like in prêt, prêt, pris, pras, cri. Very good job. Let's see how the R sounds in the middle of a word or syllable. Here, it's often softer and less pronounced. Let's see some examples. Porte, porte, bourse, bourse. Can you do it? Let's repeat. Porte, bourse, porte, bourse. And how do we pronounce this one? Paris, Paris. Okay? It doesn't have a lot of friction. It's softer and less pronounced. Finally, when the letter R is at the end of a word, it's more subtle and may sometimes be barely audible in rapid speech. Let's see some examples. How do we pronounce this? Jour, jour. Voilà. Adore, adore. Plaisir, plaisir. I repeat. Jour, adore, plaisir. Very good job. Let's do a final practice and review what we learned. To pronounce the R, start saying first the letter G, G, and switch it to R. Let's practice. G, H, G, G, H, H. There you go. You have it. Ga, gan, ran, gon, ron, gain, rein. Very good. This is what we do if the R is at the beginning of a word. When the R is in the middle, it's more subtle. For example, porte, porte. Or if it's at the end, it's even more subtle. Jour, jour. Don't worry, the more you practice, the more natural the sound will feel. Oh, by the way, if you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to check out my complete pronunciation course. This is my online course where I cover all the challenging French sounds. You will learn and practice all the tricky sounds with easy step-by-step techniques. It's perfect for beginners and intermediates who want to sound more natural and clear in French. So make sure to check out the link below and see you in class.